So I'm looking around Hotel Puri Raja. I've got all the prices here and I'll just run through those with you at the end. So starting off here in reception, it's a lovely kind of like Balinese feel to it. Nice high ceiling, very cool. Very helpful on the reception desk. Now, some of the prices here are not available on the booking sites. They're only available direct through the hotel itself. So we'll start off here and we will conclude at the pool near the beach. So stay with me if you're thinking of this kind of accommodation. It looks very nice. It looks like more of the premium end of the market. So this is your first pool here, overlooking the reception lobby area. Directly downstairs from here is a little spa. So I'll do all this in one take, so it gives you an idea of the size of the resort. So down these steps. So here, over here, you've got a spa area. Nice outside pool area. If you have stayed here and you've got any room recommendations, please do leave a comment. If anyone who's thinking of staying here and you have any tips. It's always helpful when people are looking for new accommodation to stay in. There we go. Morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. The price does include breakfast. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Nice big canopy of trees, and what I have noticed when I was looking around is even though these rooms are quite close to each other, because of the vegetation and the way they're designed, there's quite a lot of privacy even to the adjacent facing rooms. As you can see, all the seating's hidden by the foliage, which I think is a plus in the design of what they've tried to achieve with the garden area. Obviously the seats look like they're nice and cool as well. Look, nice shaded area. Okay, let's keep going. Morning.
Morning. Morning.
If you do like this kind of content and you want to give my channel a little bit of love, give the video a like, and if you want to see more of this, feel free to subscribe. It's totally free, and it lets YouTube know people are interested in my kind of content. It puts it out there for other like-minded people looking for accommodation. So as you can see, the resort is quite narrow, very long. So we're going to get close to the beach now, and these are 2 stories. It looks more like a Balinese kind of like feel to the design. So there are 3 different room types. There's a premium at 250 Australian dollars a night, the classic at 160 Australian dollars a night, and the classic lobby 140 Australian dollars a night, and that includes breakfast and taxis. And like I said earlier, the accommodation for the the lobby is not available on the booking sites, so you have to approach the hotel directly. If I remember, I will leave a link in the description in the description below with the direct link to the hotel's website. Nice swimming pool. Swimming bar, should I say, in the pool. Lots of brollies. Decent soft cushions on the modern looking lounges. Yet again, they've left the some of the trees in just to give you ample shade if you don't want to be in the sun all day, which is quite nice. Looking back. Looks like you get bike rental here as well. What time are we on? 10:30. So it looks like breakfast has been cleared. Here is your beachfront restaurant. Morning. And directly in front is the beach. There we go. If you want to get yourself a couple of beers, chill out, listen to some music, get some snacks on the beach, get your surfboard out, a bit of surfing, feel free. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll conclude the video here, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hello! Staff are super friendly. Hello! Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.